Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a quick spring makeup look where I went from this to that. It's a really soft and natural spring makeup look, and if you guys are interested in seeing how I did this makeup look, then how about we just get started. So first I'm going in with my Pixie primer and I'm just going to spritz that all over my face. Then I'm going to go in with my Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, and I just like to pat that into my face all around using a nice stipple brush. I tend to use a brush more than I do a beauty blender. I just like how it applies more onto my skin. Then I'm going in with my concealer from Pretty Vulgar, and I only use a little bit with this concealer because I just like to create that base for when I apply my second concealer, and it just helps to better cancel out the dark circles underneath my eye. So then I like to go in with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Medium Deep Matte Bronzer, and I'll use this as a base for my eyeshadow, and I like to go with circular motions around the lid, focusing on the crease of my lid, and using a really light hand as well. So now I'm going in with the shades Bang Bang and Ambitious from the Naked Urban Decay Cherry palette, and I'm just using a flat brush to pat those two shades on the lid of my eye, and this helps to create that really pretty pink shimmery color on the lid of your eye. So now I'm going in with the shade Privacy with the same palette, and I'm just going to use a very fine tooth brush to create a nice shadowed wing eyeliner. So next I'm going in with the shade Turn On, and I'm just going to place that right underneath the brow bone to highlight that area. So next I'm going in with my second concealer, and I'm using the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer, and this is the shade Perfect Beige, and I'll go a little bit heavier with this one just because I am highlighting all the areas of my face where I liked it to be a little bit more brighter, so like underneath my eye, my forehead, my chin area, and my bridge of my nose, and then I'll just use a brush to pat it all out again. And then here I'm going in with my cream bronzing balm. It's the Honey Bronze from the Body Shop, and I'm just warming up the cheeks area. I like to also use this and warm up my forehead, and then I like to really brush the product into my hairline just to create a very nice seamless look. So then I like to set everything with the shade Carrot from the Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette, and again I'll just go over all the parts that I bronzed with the Carrot shade, and then here I'm going in with my blush, and I like to just blend that into the apples of my cheek with a very light hand, and I also like to dust a little bit of that over my nose after, just to give myself a really pretty youthful flush appearance to the skin. So then I'll prep my lashes with some mascara, and then I'll go in with my Ardell lashes. The ones I'm using are the 001 Magnetic Accent lashes. I love these ones. They're super easy to put on, and they just add a little extra to the eye. So then I go in with my lip colors. I'm using the Morphe lip liner in Backseat. I'm using the Revlon matte lip color in Embrace, and then I like to go over with the Universal Gloss from Fenty. And there you have it. There is your perfect springtime look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Hey loves, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out my last video. I filmed a Hailey Bieber outfit inspired video. If you guys are interested in seeing some of those really cool looks, then click right over here.